Hey, my name is Mark and let's do a bike check of the Trek Roscoe 6. So the Trek Roscoe 6 is a hardtail mountain bike by Trek. There's actually 3 levels in this model, 6, 7, and 8. 6 being the most basic one, feature. The 6 doesn't originally come with the dropper post and it comes with the Suntour XCM coil fork. And this one comes with a 10-speed Shimano Dior transmission, square tapered bottom bracket. So I've since upgraded the some parts of this bike, notably the fork. It's now a Rockshox Pike Select, which is basically Rockshox Revelation from the previous year. It's 130 millimeter of travel and sports a Charger RC damper. Also added the dropper post from PNW. It's a 120 millimeter dropper post, and it feels great. This is the lever that came with the dropper post. It looks kind of out of place. There's a different lever that you can purchase, but it works for my purpose, and I'll just leave it. I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I think I'm done with the setup of this bike, with the dropper post and the shocks. For the rest of the components, I'll just have to upgrade or replace whenever it breaks. I have no issues with the 10-speed transmission on this one. It's basically me who's limiting this bike on uphills. I'm just out of breath and just out of leg power basically, but it's capable. 10-speed, yeah, it can still climb. It really depends on the rider. The only negative about this bike is the boost. It's at 141. It's a quick release on the rear, which is a little bit disappointing, but to be honest with you, it's not too bad. I mean, I never experienced any rattles or looseness, or if it ever came off. Nope, no such thing. So far it's been fun. You can make jumps and stuff like that. I'm an average biker, so definitely I'm not a pro, but it's fun. The tires are from Kenda. The rims are tubeless ready. But for a tube tire, you can really lower the pressure on this one. You can go really low, 10, 15, no problems at all. I will definitely convert to tubeless again once the tires are worn out. I'm done with the upgrades. Like I said before, everything else will be replaced as they break. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Take care and keep pedaling.